Pladis is a global snacking business operating with 4 billion consumers across 34 factories and 13 countries. So as we're a global business operating across continents, time zones, languages and cultures, in order for us to bring all of this together into a cohesive, agile and reactive process, we need integrated management systems.
The gains that we hope to see as we implement Corazon across the business are a reduction in the amount of old systems and processes that we operated into more global focused processes, and also the ability to immediately respond to and report against how we operate.
At the moment we have Corazon for SIM, for document management and for audit and assessment. We're also looking to use it for VNC. So Corazon is a central system for us, and it will ensure that we are able to add our legacy systems into Corazon, and we'll have one place to go to be able to manage all of the systems that we need.
So one of the key things for me is when we've got a crisis, and the crisis management module in the Corazon system will help us to track and trace all of the actions and decisions that we're making, and what's good is the workflow process, so it takes you logically through a workflow to get to any decision that we've made, and to show why we've made that decision based on the risks associated with the crisis that's going on at that point.
The Excel spreadsheets were very time consuming for us. It also relied on the auditors being the ones responsible for that, and as they travel an awful lot within their roles, we didn't have the visibility of where those audits were up to. There was also a risk in doing that we lost document control, errors were made and that emails were missed in those scenarios, so Excel was quite a painful process for us.
Single point of access to all documents will bring transparency and visibility to the information. It will develop effectiveness of our systems.
Designing future of our manufacturing in the factories, we need to leverage technology and design paperless systems. Corazon is just one great example.
From a factory point of view, I think it's a user-friendly system. The sites will only have to go into one system to look at many different aspects of what we do in SQSE, rather than have 4 or 5 different systems, standalone systems. So it's easier to use, it's a one-stop shop for the people in the factory, which obviously adds benefit, time saving and easier to navigate around the system too.
My responsibility is for the well-being of 26,000 employees around the world, 13 countries. To ensure that they get home safely to their families every night, whether they are operating in a factory in Nigeria or driving a car across Turkey to deliver products, or to work from in Glasgow or Liverpool or Manchester. So source our materials around the world. So we will buy cashew nuts from Vietnam, cocoa beans from the coast of Ivory Coast, so wheat from the UK and Europe, and our standards operate across all of those. We want to make sure not only that the materials we buy are of the substance, nature and quality that we expect, but also that the way those businesses operate is ethical, is environmental and meets with our Pladis beliefs and business values.